Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be doing a two-part video. So this is part one of my Harvest Pumpkin face paint glam look. In this first part of the video, I am just going to be doing my makeup underneath the pumpkin. So in the second video, I will be doing the face paint pumpkin. But in this video, if you just want to see how I did like a fall makeup look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so my face is already primed and I'm just, or not primed, my face already has moisturizer on it. So now I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Luminous Matte Makeup Primer with Acai Berry. And I'm just gonna put this on my face. Next is foundation. Pick any foundation that you want. I'm just gonna go with the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I'm in the shade Medium 85 and I am running out of this one. So I'm going to open the cap and just put it all over my face. After your foundation, take a concealer. Today I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal a little under my eyes. I like to get the sides of my nose because that's where I crease the most. Cupid's bow, little on the nose, little on the chin. After that's blended out, you're going to take a setting powder. I'm going in with the Morphe Bake and Set in Translucent, and I'm just going to set my concealer that I just did. Once that is done, go ahead and take a bronzer. Today I'm using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic 104. It looks like this. For blush, I am just going in with the NARS. This is the shade Angelica. It's really pretty. It's got some sparkle in it. Just gonna throw a little bit of that on my cheeks. For my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe Eyelid Primer. Okay, now that we're done with the face and the eye primer, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we are gonna get started on the eye look. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And when you open it up, it is the second shade on the top. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and I'm going to put that all on my brow bone, kind of blend it in circles and bring it down a little on the lid. Next in the palette, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be putting that in the crease. Once you're done with that, go back in with the first fluffy brush and just blend both of them together. Next in the palette, we're gonna take this orange shade on the end. It's like the shimmery color, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Next in the palette, we're gonna line the underlashes, and we're gonna be taking this green color. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, my eyelashes, my eyeliner, and maybe my lipstick, and then we'll be right back to show you the finished part 1 of the makeup pumpkin look. Okay, so I am back. This is my finished makeup look for the Harvest Pumpkin face painting look. So if you want to stop here, you can. You have the pumpkin vibes, you have it kind of, you know, orange and harvesty, and then a little bit of the green underneath. So just go on and, you know, pop on like a brown or a nude or maybe a light pink lipstick would look really cute. I put on some false lashes. And yeah, so this is the end of this video, but stick around for part 2 or go find part 2 on my channel for the Harvest Pumpkin look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. And I will link my part 2 video above so that you can easily find it, and I will put it in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.